In the bottom left section of the cube structure, we see all of the dimensions that are related to this particular cube. Notice that we have one dimension in the cube for each dimension that we have in the Solution Explorer. Well, actually, we have a few more. Notice for date, we have ship date, due date, and order date. That's because there are 3 columns in our fact table, reseller sales, order date key, due date key, and ship date key, all of which have a relationship to the same table. Therefore, that means there are different contexts. Order date says, when did the sale occur? Due date said, when did we promise it? And ship date says, when did we actually ship it? And that way we can do analysis to determine how long does it take typically between our sale date and when we promised it, or are we shipping within the time frame that we promised. As cube developers, we need to understand our requirements for analysis and to determine whether or not to include those additional contexts. So ship date, due date, and order date all refer to dates, but ship date, due date, and order date all refer to the same date dimension, just using different values because those values are coming from different columns in the fact table. Now, another thing about cube dimensions is that there are properties associated with cube dimensions that are independent of the properties that are defined for dimensions at the database level. So if we have multiple cubes within the same database, a cube level dimension can have different properties in each separate cube. For example, we can include a dimension in a particular cube, but we might choose to hide it.